Hey everyone, this is Rich with FastReviews, and I'm super excited because we've got the accessory for the Subaquatic Tini scooter. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, this is Rich from FastReviews, and we have got the accessory to the Subaquatic Tini scooter. This is the inflatable kickboard. I do not remember ordering it, but maybe it's a gift, I don't know. So the cool thing is that this is a kickboard that's an inflatable one, because sometimes you'll have my 7-year-old, he doesn't need to have a kickboard, but my 5-year-olds, they do need to have a little bit more confidence. Now it does come with 2 air chambers, quick assembly and disassembly. It's buoyant, it has 2 start and stop modes. So very interesting because the way that this is controlled is through this remote control that's attached here. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what is in here. So it has 2 independent air chambers, quick disassembly, super buoyancy, 2 start and stop modes, and it has a magnetic safety rope, so you can press it again or it will stop if the magnetic head falls off, which means that it is like a it's like a treadmill where you attach the magnetic portion to it, and then once you attach it, then you'll be able to, in the case of emergency, you'll be able to pull it off. Okay. Okay, we've got a seal here. Okay. So, it comes with a inflatable pump, which is nice. It also comes with a, so this is actually another controller. This is a controller that has a link and power button, similar to the other one. Pretty cool. It's like it's fully charged right now. And then you can, of course, charge it utilizing the USB charging cable. And it has a magnetic attachment that goes right here, and you'll be able to, it'll stop when it falls off, I guess. So kind of cool. Okay, is this substitutable? I don't think so, no. Okay, it comes with inflatable. Inflatable has a plastic as well. It comes with a certification similar to the Subaquatic original.
Today we have this swim scooter attachment. If you saw our last video, you need one of these to have a swim scooter.
It's called the WhiteShark Tini Inflatable Kickboard.
Daddy, I think you know what time it is?
What time is it?
It is opening time. Anyway, it's time to get this out.
Okay, look at that slowly. You got a pump here. What else we got?
Slow.
Grab it.
Grab that, Jordan. I'll pump it up.
Okay. It comes with some type of clamp attachment. So it comes with this.
Yeah, that's the clamp so it can turn on and then it starts.
So you can probably hit this button here. Maybe this button. Hopefully it works.
We're going to test out my blood.
Needs to be charged probably. Okay, cool. It actually comes with a full charge. So this is control the speed, fast, slow, and then this is the link button that links it up. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it, and then we're going to inflate it. Now we're going to pump it up.
You plug it. What? Yeah.
Okay, now here's the cool thing. It has 2 independent air chambers, super buoyancy, and start and stop mode. You'll be able to use the safety ropes. Magnetic safety rope, click to go, and then press again. Otherwise, press to go. Good job, dude.
Wait, I need a
You're pumping my leg.
What the?
Okay. So you need someone to hold it for you? I'll hold it. Okay, let's go. It helps. That's a pretty good pump, huh?
Go.
Open the other side. Hey, let's go together now. Now we're going to. Okay, look at this system right here. So what we can actually do here is we can use the black rubber part to inflate it. And what this will do is this will actually hold the air, so we don't, when we let go of it, it doesn't have to release the air. So I guess push it through the other side here. All right. So now we've got the magnetic strap attachment. So this attachment is going to go here. So whoever rides this is going to use the attachment. And then what happens is the motor then stays on, which is pretty cool. And then if they fall off, it'll stop. Okay? That's how it works. Alright, let's go ahead and test this in the water. Okay, everyone, that's my review of the inflatable kickboard for the WhiteShark Tini. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the future. Don't forget to subscribe.